thinking minds. Let's do Guess Who with Nana. Who made that sound? A dog makes that sound. Who made that sound? A cow makes that sound. Who made that sound? A pig makes that sound. Who made that sound? A rooster makes that sound. Who made that sound? A cat makes that sound. Who made that sound? A duck makes that sound. Who made that sound? A horse makes that sound. Who made that sound? An owl makes that sound. Who made that sound? A camel makes that sound. Who made that sound? Sheep make that sound. Who made that sound? A mouse makes that sound. Who made that sound? A bird makes that sound. Who made that sound? A raccoon makes that sound. Yay, you did it! I sure hope you had fun.